Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can get coordinates of a location on Google Maps, so let's get right into it. Now, getting your coordinates is as easy as just locating the location that you want, whether it's an already marked location or if it's unmarked. Same goes for both the web version and the mobile version, so I'll be explaining using the web version. There is a slight difference, but I'll show you exactly what it is. So what you're going to need to do first is you're going to need to select a location, and in this case, I'll just select any random location that hasn't been marked. So for example, the crossroads on Madison Avenue and East 59th, and I'll just select the middle of the crossroads or the junction. So on the web version, you just click. On the mobile version, you tap and hold if it's unmarked. If it's marked, you can just tap once and that should be it. But I'll just click here, and now we have this location. Now, as you can see, if it's unmarked on PC, you'll see the coordinates right over here at the bottom. However, you can also right click and it'll show the coordinates right over here. So if you click them, they'll be copied to clipboard, and then you can paste them anywhere else. Now, if you're on mobile, those coordinates will most likely be shown in the data that is shown on of the location that you selected, and then you can easily just browse them through Google Maps that way. You can also enter them into the search and see if that is the correct location, but it most likely should be. And yeah, that is pretty much it. So yeah, that is literally all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.